Life comes with a lot of emotions, negative and positive, and in equal measure. And you and I get to choose what we make of that. Hello everybody, I am Parleen Singh, your Mindset Transformation Coach, and today I am here to talk to you about happiness and how to get more of it. So happiness is something that most, or in fact all of us want more of. And I hear a lot of people saying it often. I want to be happy. I want my family to be happy. Dictionary definition of happiness is the state of being happy. Understand here, notice it is the state. It's the condition of way of being that exists in a particular time. And this is so important because happiness isn't a permanent way of being. It's an emotion, a vibration in our bodies that is created by what we are thinking. So why does this matter? Because if happiness comes from what's going on in our minds, this means that all the thoughts that make you feel happy are available to you in this moment. We run into trouble when we think that we should be happy most of the time. And when we are not happy, we end up thinking that something has gone wrong. And this belief itself sneakily robs you of the happiness that you can enjoy. When I was thinking of what happiness is and how to get more of it, I went back to look into my life for the examples where I thought I could be happier. So the three examples I could find was, one was being newlywed, the next was my relationship with my new set of family, and the third was the goal for being a coach. So in all of this, I was either arguing with the reality or believing in the circumstances, and the results created my happiness. And actually I felt unhappy and trapped. My fight with happiness was less about what's going on externally and more to do what was going on in my mind. So here are the 5 steps I want to offer you. Step number 1. Ask yourself, why am I unhappy? I want you to release the temptation of going back and exploring your thoughts and to know why you are unhappy. You are likely to have a story on that's causing all of this. Here I want you to be very honest with yourself. Step number 2. Ask yourself, what could make me happy? Identify and complete this sentence. I'd be happier if. Step number 3. Ask yourself, how am I making my external circumstances or goals responsible for my happiness? In my 3 examples discussed earlier, something outside of me would have to change to make me feel happy. And then I discovered that I didn't need to change anything from outside. Because the good news is that my thoughts alone can give me happiness or unhappiness. That means the power to create your happiness is to choose on purpose your thoughts. Step number 4. Refer back to step number 2, where we identified that what is that thing which can make me feel happy. And then ask yourself, what would I be thinking if I would have had that now? And write it down. Step number 5. Practice it now. And it is very much okay if it doesn't make you feel entirely true at first, or your brain goes back to the normal settings of thinking the way it used to. This is a practice. It is the way of learning a new skill. It's you choosing to be happy, knowing that the human nature is a mix of positive and negative emotions which will come in between many times. This is the most quickest and life-changing way of having more happiness. Go, enjoy your happiness and increase your happiness. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and press that bell icon for more updates. Thank you.